In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link email in Klaviyo, providing you with a comprehensive guide for 2025. We'll walk through each step, ensuring that you can manage your email campaigns with confidence. Let's get started. First things first, head over to klaviyo.com and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your control center where you can access everything you need to manage your campaigns. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll want to click on the Campaigns tab. Once there, look to the top right and you'll see the Create Campaign button. Give it a click. Here, a pop-up will appear giving you different campaign types to choose from. Select Email to proceed. After choosing Email, hit the Create Campaign button again. This action aligns your campaign in the email format, which is what we'll be focusing on. Now, it's time to name your campaign. Choose something clear and specific. This helps you stay organized later on. Examples like October Weekly Newsletter or 2025 New Product Launch Update are excellent choices. With your campaign named, click Continue to Content. Next, you'll need to decide who will receive your newsletter. Under Recipients, you'll find options to choose either a list or segment. Some common choices might include newsletter subscribers or engaged users last 30 days. Once you've made your choice, click Save and Continue. A word of advice: it's often beneficial to send only to engaged segments to improve deliverability and open rates. With that sorted, we need to set up the email details. Fill in your email header information, which includes your sender name, say something like India from the Strategy Studio, and a sender email from your verified domain, such as helloyourbrand.com. The subject line that should be catchy and relevant may be something like your weekly business boost. Optionally, you can add preview text to create a hook in inbox previews. Once everything looks good, click Continue to Content. We now proceed to design your newsletter using Klaviyo's drag and drop email editor. You can start with a pre-built template or scratch build your layout. Inside the editor, you will be adding elements like text blocks, images, buttons, dividers, and sections for a more structured appearance. Use the Styles tab to adjust background color, font, and button styles to match your brand's look. Personalization is key, and Klaviyo supports dynamic content with personalization tags. A simple tag like "Hi, first name, default, there" will automatically greet subscribers by name. If you've connected your store, consider including product recommendations or dynamic coupons to enhance engagement. Before wrapping up, it's crucial to preview and test your email. Click on Preview and Test, found at the top right, to either look at a preview email or send a test email to yourself. Ensure all the elements appear correctly on both desktop and mobile. Once satisfied, obtain a final review by clicking Continue to Review. Here, you can choose to send immediately or schedule it for optimal timing in your audience's time zone, potentially boosting open rates. After sending, it's time to track results. Visit Campaigns Reports to monitor crucial metrics such as open rates, click rates, revenue, and unsubscribes. This data will enable you to optimize future newsletters effectively. And there you have it, the complete guide to linking email in Klaviyo. Follow these steps, and you'll have professional and engaging email campaigns ready to send out. Happy emailing!